Of gangs dealing in counterfeit dollars and shillings. We are seeing an increase in those cases. This is a vice that we had successfully countered, and we see that almost after 2 weeks we are getting cases of people dealing in counterfeit dollars and shillings. In one of the operations in North Choga and Lira City West, we arrested a gang of 7 suspects that has been exchanging counterfeit dollars for shillings and fleecing the public in Lira City. The suspects include Odur Joshua, Odongo Denish, Ogwang Geoffrey, Akite Nancy, Atim Colin, and Aguti Eunice. And after the arrest, what showed us that this could probably be a bigger racket. There are other accomplices who were about 20 to 30 in number, went and attacked the LC1 chairman of Ober Kampala cell, who tipped the police on this gang that was exchanging or dealing in counterfeit dollars. So when our teams responded, we managed to arrest 10 others whom we believe are accomplices. And these included Amone Moses, the gang leader, and 9 others. All are in custody for conspiracy to theft and dealing in on persons who are found in possession and utterance of fake currency. The police in Agago charged to court a one Mowere Zatoni, aged 31, a businessman from Busei village, Nakalama, in Iganga district, who was arrested and found in possession of 2.5 million Uganda fake currency, 2.5 million shillings of fake Ugandan currency. And of course, he had moved all the way from Iganga to Agago. They usually target very innocent business persons in rural areas and villages.